What you see here is a very poorly applied paint protection coating product. This is definitely the worst we have come across that we have seen. However, it is not uncommon to see this sort of defects on brand new dealership prepared cars. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you what happens when a paint protection coating is applied in a very bad way. So if you have a look here, you can see all this rainbowy effect is called the high spot. It is when the coating is too thick and is allowed to sit there for too long. This was applied by hand, not Opti-Coat, but a very similar product. And once it's set like this, the only way to remove it is by using machine polish paint correction. For this particular car, we are looking at 16 hours, 20 hours worth of paint correction just to remove all this high spot, all this rainbow effect that you see on there. Now if you look at here, this is where we've started doing paint correction. You see this is back to bare paint. This is what we want for the whole car. So as you can see, it's applied by hand. You can see where the sponge has gone around, and that's what's causing all this. Have a look on the bonnet as well. Again, a lot of smudginess, rainbowy effect. What's even worse is there are swirl scratches in it. So I'll get the camera to come in and show you this. You see all the swirl scratches that is on there. Right, this is what happens when the paint protection coating has gone wrong by hand. Now the customer has asked us to remove this 16 to 20 hours of paint correction, and then after that we will apply our Opti-Coat Pro Plus paint protection by spray gun, which is going to create an even surface without any of this smudginess to it. The process to remove the previous coating and the paint correction was about 18 hours. That's a 3-stage paint correction plus wet sanding in some areas. As you can see now, the car is in a much better shape. No more smudginess, no more high spots, no more swirl scratches whatsoever. Please, when you are choosing your next paint protection product, don't focus so much about the product itself, but rather focus on who is applying it and how it is applied.